If the Brigit app says your card has expired, the problem is often that your saved payment information is outdated, your bank has replaced the card, or the app hasn't synced the latest card details yet. By the end of this video, you'll know the quickest ways to update your card information and get your Brigit account working again. First, check whether your debit card has actually expired. Banks regularly issue replacement cards with a new expiration date and security code, even if the card number stays the same. If you've recently received a replacement, the old card information stored in Brigit may no longer be valid. Open the Brigit app and go to your payment or linked account settings. If the app allows you to edit your card details, update the expiration date, security code, and any other required information. Save the changes and make sure they remain after you refresh the screen. If editing the existing card doesn't work, remove the saved card if that option is available, then add it again as a new payment method. Reconnecting the card forces the app to verify the latest information with your bank. Next, confirm that your bank account linked to Brigit is still active and that your debit card is connected to the same account. If your bank recently issued a completely new card, the old one may no longer be authorized for transactions. You should also update the Brigit app through the App Store or Google Play Store. An older version can sometimes fail to recognize recently updated payment information or display incorrect account errors. After updating the app, force close it, reopen it, and check whether the card warning has disappeared. If it hasn't, restart your phone and try again. A fresh app session often resolves temporary syncing issues. If you're still seeing the expired card message, sign out of Brigit and sign back into your account if the app allows it. This refreshes your account data and may pull the latest payment information from Brigit servers. If none of these steps solve the problem, contact Brigit support through the Help section in the app. Tell them you're receiving a card expired message even after updating your card details, and include your device model, operating system version, and a screenshot of the error if possible. To recap, verify your card hasn't expired, update or re-add the card, confirm your linked bank account is active, install the latest version of Brigit, restart the app, and contact support if the error continues. If this video helped you fix the problem, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Brigit troubleshooting guides for more quick solutions.